How to use WhatsApp without phone number. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. If you're looking to open a WhatsApp account with actually not using your own phone number, then there are a few ways of going about it. Now, I must just mention that there could be a lot of great benefits for actually doing it this way, and some of the benefits is making sure that obviously your personal details are not linked to your WhatsApp account, so that you can use your WhatsApp for business, and or you can have a secondary WhatsApp number. So this is how we're going to go about it. You're going to go over to your Google Play Store. Now, right in your Google Play Store, you're going to go up to the search bar, and this may be a little bit of trial and error depending on where you actually are in the world. So you're going to search for virtual number, and once you put this in, you'll see a bunch of virtual number apps that you could potentially use. Now, the reason I say that this could be a little bit of trial and error is because depending on where you are, you may only be able to use a certain app, and certain apps are only available in certain countries. So you'll have to go through from the top and check which app is actually applicable to your country. And this is completely fine and normal and legal. You'll be able to now use this virtual number to sign up a WhatsApp account and have a WhatsApp account that is not linked to your own cell phone number at all. So you can go ahead with Numero eSIM. You can also go ahead with the Number2Go. There is also an app called Google Voice, which is not available here because it's not available in my country. And then there is also another app called Text Now, which is also not available in my country. However, if you search for it, it may be available in your country. So once you've located the virtual number app, you will be able to generate a number, and you'll be able to use that to open up a brand new WhatsApp account without actually using your own number. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to drop us a like. If you have any questions on this topic, you can go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.